Most Word users are proficient in cutting and pasting text using the clipboard. One of the lesser-known editing tools, however, is called the spike. This tool, described in this quick tip, can be very handy and perform tasks that the clipboard cannot. Word has a feature that allows you to collect groups of text and paste it within another location. It's different from the clipboard, which allows you to work with only one item at a time. The spike is named after an old-fashioned paper holder onto which people poked papers as they were done with them. To collect information in the spike, all you have to do is select the text and then press Ctrl F3. For instance, I have some random text on the screen here, and let's say that I want this word, embed, right here. All I did was select that word, and now I can press Ctrl F3. You'll notice that it cut that word out of the text, and it's now added it to the spike. I can go over here to another word that I want to do that with, and I press Ctrl F3 again. The exact same thing happens. Over here, another word, Ctrl F3. Now I've done this 3 times, and Word has now placed those 3 words on the spike. In order to put those words someplace else within the document, all I have to do is put my insertion point where I want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and press Enter 1 time here. And now I can press Shift Ctrl F3. And notice that those 3 words were pulled off of the spike and placed here in the order in which I placed them on the spike. You'll remember that first I placed the word embed on the spike. The second word I placed there was footer, and the third word that I placed there was insert. Now when it did this, it cleared the spike entirely. It placed the information in the document, and all of those words were removed from the spike. I can, however, paste the contents of the spike without clearing it. Let's place a few more words on the spike. I'm going to go up here to the word keyword. I'm going to press Ctrl F3. It's now on the spike. We'll do that with this one here. Ctrl F3. I can place as many words as I want to on the spike in this manner. Now I'm going to go down just a little bit, and I can, if I want to, type the word spike, and I can press Enter to insert it at this point. Now I have all of those words that were on the spike within the document. I could also have pressed the F3 key after typing the word spike, and it would have placed the contents from the spike. Like I told you, it's a rather lesser known editing tool, but it can come in handy as you're working with the words in your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.